According to BLS, by 2033, there will be over 2.3 million jobs available for truck drivers. That's an average of over 240,000 openings every year over the next decade. If you're dreaming of hitting the open road and ready for a career that puts you in the driver's seat, then what are you waiting for? Start your path to a career in trucking with hands-on training behind the wheel at Midwest Technical Institute. Get skilled in vehicle inspection. Learn range maneuvers, trip planning, load securement, cargo holding, and more. Get access to the resources you need to successfully complete your CDL training in just 16 days. Or prepare for a more comprehensive career in our professional truck driving program in just 20 weeks. You'll receive one-on-one instruction, tutoring, and certification exam prep to get your CDL. Job placement assistance available to all graduates who qualify, as well as financial aid assistance for our 20-week program. Get in, get out, and get on the road with the hands-on training you need to take off in your new career at MTI.